I've always had a pretty wild imagination since I was a kid. Watching a lot of anime growing up, I would constantly imagine different versions and alternate stories of what I was seeing. That imagination eventually pushed me to start creating my own series. Well, as you know, the series I am creating is Fatal Blow, and so far, everything has been going great exactly how I wanted it to be. Still some hiccups here and there, but we're eventually getting through it. Me and my artists are trying our very best to make sure that the series reaches the heights that we want it to reach. But the hiccups I was talking about, yeah, they mostly fall under my writer. Because why? There's always this constant nagging between me and him. Whereas he is a procrastinator, I actually want to start drawing because at this point in time, he is wasting my what you call this, my drawing talents, and I'm growing bored day by day. So eventually we will start on chapter 3. And yeah, so with this video, as you can see the illustration right here, I'm currently working on the volume cover for volume 2. Well, for each volume I am planning to have like 6 chapters within, and covering about 20 pages each, 20 to 25. That's the average for the pages per chapter, okay? And yeah, and with that I'm hoping to cover up everything. That way everything can be structured in the way that I want it to be. So every time I am not like working on the chapters, I take my time to draw some chapter covers here and there, so that way, whenever that my writer starts to actually put in some work, I can just put in the cover that already exists and just fill in the pages that are already there. I also plan to put some extra credits, like some at the end of the chapters. I also plan to put some like designs or descriptions on the characters here and there to give you guys some more information, on who's this, who's that, what's going on here, and all of that good stuff. And every time I finish a chapter per se, I always save it into images, That way I can just cut it the way I want it to be cut. Then I put it on then I use a PDF to, just to merge all the pages, saving all the documented files as PDFs, Then create a folder and put them in the place that I want them to put it. Like I also name the folder, of course, Fatal Blow. Yeah, that way, so like each chapter is I'm gonna be putting each chapter in a folder where it says like, this folder says volume 1, then I'm gonna put chapters 1 to 6, and volume 2 chapters 7 to 12. Like I said, the chapters, each volume will contain about 6 chapters. So yeah, that way when it comes to printing, I can just send the documentation, the chapters that are in each folder, like in each volume. That way it can be shaped into a book, I'm not sure how many pages it'll be on average, like in a volume. I'm not sure how many pages that'll be, but like in each chapter will contain about like I said from the beginning, it will contain about 20 to 25 pages. So like, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the series, and I hope you guys enjoy the videos that I make. Like, these videos take some time to make, there are sometimes trial and errors, and there are also times whereas I don't hit the record button that often, and that triggers me, and I have to restart the entire video. And most of the times I don't upload. Why? Because it's time consuming, and I wasn't recording the entire time I was talking. So basically, most of the time the videos take about a long time to record. So again, thank you guys. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications when I upload absolutely anything. And shout out to everyone who has read my series so far. You guys have been the goats, been sending reviews and everything like that. And I'm glad that you enjoy the series. So yeah, we're not sure what the end goal could be. Like, when is the series gonna end. But my writer, I think I've said this once in a video, I'm not sure which one, but my writer is planning to go like One Piece level of manga making, like having chapters 1,000 and all that. I'm not that crazy, okay? I'm not that crazy as to create that many chapters, but hey, if creativity can go that far, then so be it. I love drawing and I don't want that talent to end. And I want to continue making stories for you guys that you can enjoy. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah. So yeah, I think I've covered most of the part where as to how I organize my stuff. But yeah, so in each volume, there's gonna be a perfect representation of what's to happen in the series. Like maybe take a volume cover. Like yeah, volume one features Kazuya Reitsuki. Well, that's the basic introduction of the series and stuff like that. And for volume two, as you can see right here in the illustration, it shows Kai Hosanagi. Yes, that's Kai Hosanagi. Majority of people love him more than the main character, but hey, I'm not judging. I'm not mad. There's nothing. I'm not mad. Like yeah, I am. Yeah, but yeah, my writer says it's gonna kill him off. Why? Because his favorite character in the series, Tetsushi Romaru, is not more liked than Kai or Kazuya. Well, that's because I don't like draw him that much. But hey, I will draw him. I will draw him. I will draw him. Plus, you guys already seen him in chapter 2. So, yeah, I'll make sure that he shows more than one occasion, okay? Same as the other characters. So, yeah, as I was saying, each volume kind of represents an event that's going to have take place in the series, you know? Like yeah, like I said, volume one, Kazuya, the introduction of the series. Volume two, Kai, like the heating up of the series, like where everything starts to like get that va voom or that type that you know what I'm trying to say, that feeling or where things start to get intense and yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Where things start to get intense and everything like that. And in volume three, where everything starts shaping up the way I want it to be, like the development of the characters and all that good stuff. All that good stuff. And yeah, so far the series has been going great. Trust me. I have been trying to improve the way I draw, the how I handle certain perspectives on some characters and the backgrounds. I've improved a lot in the backgrounds, that I have to say for so myself. Like it doesn't take that much time to like put pen on paper, no, put pencil on paper and trying to practice something, and hopefully something that I want comes out of it. But 9 times out of 10, I don't usually practice when it comes to drawing. Like I know it's something that you must do every day to level up, but I don't know why. I think I'm different. I don't know, cause I don't draw for quite a while. Then when I come back to drawing, all of a sudden my art has improved. I'm like, what the heck? But yeah, hey man, there's nothing I can say. Okay, but yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed what I've said in the video. I hope it covers everything, and hopefully this video was not clickbait. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you made it to the end, I thank you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications when I upload absolutely anything. Links to anything you could possibly need, like the series, is in the description down below. Make sure you check it out. And yeah, I'm gonna send more videos are coming up soon. And make sure you follow my Twitch. I'm also a Twitch streamer now. Like yeah, if you want to see me live if you want to see me drawing live, yeah, make sure you go check that out. Yeah, and this is Olusegun XI, and I'm out.